Welkom terug naar mijn kanaal. Welcome back to my channel. Remember we posted last time a question on the names of the Afrikaans, the proper names of Afrikaans when it comes to fruit and vegetables. Still waiting for those comments. Like and subscribe to my channel, please. Like and subscribe to my channel. Now we're gonna do troeteldieren. Now troeteldieren means pets. Pets. Hond is a dog. It's a dog. Cat is a cat. Hamster. Hamster. Papegaai. Parrot. Goudvis. Goldfish. Goldfish. Haas is a rabbit. Haas. Rabbit. Pada. Pada. Frog. Frog. Marmot. Guinea pig. Guinea pig. Marmot. Guinea pig. Budgie. 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 Spinnekop. Spinnekop. You can say spider. Spider. As dit nie reg is nie, asseblief laat ons weet wat die regte Engelse woord is vir spinnekop. Akedus. Akedus, it's a lizard. A lizard. Slang, that one is easy. Slang, it's a snake. Muis is a mouse. Muis is a mouse. Rot is a rat. Rot is a rat. Canary, canary is a canary. Canary. And then cockatiel is also a cockatiel. I don't know the correct one for the English. So again, hond, kat, hamster, papegaai, goudvis, haas, pada, marmot, budgie, spinnekop, akedus, slang, muis, rot, canary, and cockatiel. That's a wrap. See you soon. And